Hello friends, today we will make fish masala fry. It's a very easy to make and will be tasty without deep frying. You can eat it with roti or paratha, but its taste will be even better with rice. So first of all, to make a fish masala fry, we will prepare its masala. I have taken 50 grams of fish here. According to this, we will take 30 grams of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 25 to 30 cloves of garlic, and 3 green chilies. Take green chilies as spicy as you want. Cut them all and take them in a mixture jar. Now add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, and salt as per your taste. Add juice of 2 large lemons, half cup of oil and half cup of water, and make a fine paste of all these things together. I have already washed the fish. Now we will add the ground spices to it and mix it well. When these spices are mixed well, we will keep this fish to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of normal cooking oil in a pan. Once the oil is well heated, we will remove the extra masala from the marinated fish and put it in the pan. Here we have to keep the gas flame medium, otherwise our fish will burn quickly and lot of oil will also splatter. When our fish gets fried well from one side, we have to carefully turn it over and fry the other side in the same way. So there are many benefits of making fish fry, such as you can eat it as a starter, or if you are going out somewhere, you can pack it with you easily because it has less water and it gets prepared quickly and there is no fear of leaking. So our fish has been fried well from both sides. Now we will take it out in the separate vessel. Here in the remaining masala, we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of turmeric and half cup of water and mix it well. Now add oil as per your requirement in the same pan in which we fried the fish. Put paste in it and saute it until all spices get cooked totally. Add some salt and fry the spices well while stirring occasionally and add some water if needed. Once the masala is cooked well, add finely chopped coriander leaves and finely chopped green chilies. Add water as per your choice and cook for 5 to 10 seconds. So here our fish masala is also ready. If you want, you can eat it by pouring it over fish or eat it separately. If you eat this masala fish with rice, its taste will be very amazing. If fish is prepared without deep frying, it becomes very soft and it's also very easy to prepare. So you must try this recipe at your home. You will also like it very much. So to see more such recipes, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.